Everybody, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Well, we just, we're here at home. Tapos na yung enrollment ni Mommy and I just wanted to say hello to everybody.
Nailibing na ang Mami Inday Barreto at hawak-hawak ni JJ Barreto ang malaking larawan ng kanilang ina. Pinag-cremate nga nila ito. Mabilis nga lang at hindi na pinatagal ang wake. Kaya nagpapasalamat sina Claudine at sa lahat ng nakiramay sa pamilya nila. Si JJ nga mismo ang naglagay ng urn sa final resting place ng kanilang mahal na ina. Mga nakiramay naman sa huling gabi ang kaibigan ni Claudine na sina Asunta De Rossi, Ogie Diaz. Nandito rin ang mag-asawang Jano Gibbs at Ping Loizaga. Nag-live nga si Claudine Barreto at pinasalamatan ang lahat. Sabi din niya sa kanyang post, "Goodbye and thank you."
Everybody, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Well, we just, we're here at home. Tapos na yung enrollment ni Mommy and I just wanted to say hello to everybody. Naho akong voice, but at least bumalik na. I'm here with my babies, Nicole and Justin, and of course, Dex is here. Anika, ayan. Cebu, and Diego, and my Ali is here. You see, so many, I'm so loved. Sabi ko, ayokong tumayo today. Pero sabi ko, is that the moon? Oh my God, full moon, look! Oh my God, that's low.
It's perfect. It's perfect. Ito yung background natin.
Oh my God, come. And of course, here.
Nakauwi na rin nga si Claudine sa kanilang bahay at habang naka-live ay biglang napansin ang magandang full moon. Tanaw sa loob ng bahay nila. Natuwa nga at ito raw ang first full moon in heaven ng kanyang ina.
I love you all. Sorry at ngarag na ngarag yung itsura. So this is that's something stronger than so it's so I guess my mom said, okay, bigyan niyo ng full moon ngayon yung anak ko. Yeah, it's so dark though. Wait, how do we flip this? How do you flip this?
Alex, can you help me flip so it won't be a selfie?
There.
Face it
Okay.
forward.
Ayan. Nice, no? Wait. Oh my God. Look at
Careful na baka
that.
mahulog ka sa akin.
Mahulog ka sa akin. Sana binuksan natin yung pool. Sana nag-swimming. Ayan. It's not kita, no, love? No, there. Zoom it.
I think.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God. My mom. Sige, kanta na again. Hi, Mommy. You're up there now. It's your first full moon.
And it's
In
like
heaven.
a warm yellow.
It's kita ba?
Ayan na.
Ang dami.
And there's
So, you know what my mom's name is? Estrella. That means stars in in Spanish.
wonderful stars.
That's why lahat ng mga anak na stars.
Right. Correct.
Right? So, how do you flip it back? Okay, it's dark. There. But it's mas maganda siya in
Ikaw?
Yeah, I should call Kuya Mickey and Tita Amor and I'll tell them to look at it. Ayan. Oh my God, I look so terrible. Oh my gosh. First time nang walang lip tint talaga.
Ang pangalan pala ng kanilang ina na Estrella ay ibig sabihin sa Spanish ay stars. Kaya naman daw ang kanyang mga anak ay mga stars din. Kahit sa bahay marami pa rin kasama si Claudine na mga nakiramay at sinamahan pa rin siya. Kahit naman nga no make-up itong si Claudine ay maganda pa rin. Napaka-natural nga ng kanyang beauty. Kahit ilang araw nga napagod sa wake ay hindi halata sa kanya. Pinasalamatan nga ni Claudine ang kanyang mga kapatid, sabi niya sa post. To my brother and all my sisters, thank you. Magulo man po kami, but in grief, we are all united. We all did our part. JJ, Mitchie, Gia, G, Marjorie, and all the apos, pati apos sa tuhod, pantay-pantay inalagaan ng mommy. We choose peace over everything. We don't need flowers. Your prayers all mean the world to each and every one of us. Goodbye, Mom. We will be okay. How can we not? We are Inday Barreto's children. The strongest, most loving mother anyone could ask for.
She would read to me yung book na yun. Tapos I was looking for it. But it's called, and my friend's daughter found it. It's called, the Goblin. And so, nung nahanap namin yun, yung book na yun, bumili talaga ako ng 10. 10 talaga. Kasi inubos ko kung ano yung nakita ko sa fully book. Tinunga ko talaga. The Princess and the Goblin. Yeah. And then the start well talaga is parang the Princess Irene was about 8 years old when my story begins. And this is how it began. One very wet day, parang the mountain was covered with mist, which was gathering parang snowflakes up at the parang mountain top, ganyan. The Princess Irene parang was so sad in her room, parang ganyan. Memorize ko pa, pero ngayon hindi ko na maisip dahil hindi ko magana ang utak ko. Pero grabe memorize ko. Grabe.
Magaling ka pala mag-story.
8.
Wow!
Grabe, 8?
Yeah. Even, the smell of like a place or something, I remember.
You remember it?
Yeah. Even kung anong suot ko, kung anong... you like that?
Also like that, tita.
Okay. At 3 years old, 2 songs na kaya ko buo.
Wow!
Na yung
Wow.
Love you guys, sa lahat sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nagdasal. Lahat ng support ninyong lahat ng Cladinians, mga palanggas, even sa lahat sa buong pamilya namin, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And I love you guys. Walang voice, pero I just wanted to say thank you and hello. Thank you.
So nice. Wonderful.
Nice, beautiful. How do you do that again? How do you do that again?
Flip.
Double tap.
Oo, yan. Ano na?
Can submit and